This is a little owlet Sunny. He is the easy one to always taking photos because his mobility is not as fast and quick as other owlets. He spent a lot of time with Anna, and in fact Anna also taking care of him. It is very interesting. The owlets, they form groups. Anna team with Sunny, and this one right now you're seeing is the mom, Jane. Now all the owlets, three of them, in the day, they just roost in this the tree stump. Now when the sun comes down, when the mom comes out, all the owlets leave this roosting place.